close your eyes and forget everything you know about riding. The smell of gasoline, the roar of an engine, the vibration through the handlebars, now replace it with the silent, instant punch of electric torque, the feeling of hovering above the ground, and a design that looks like it fell from orbit. This is the new sensory experience of riding. In this video, we're counting down the 10 machines that deliver a feeling of the future, right here, right now. Jetpacks Speeder. The Jetpacks Speeder stands as the pinnacle of science fiction becoming science fact, a machine that feels less like a vehicle and more like a realized dream from a blockbuster film. This revolutionary creation completely transcends traditional categories of transportation by utilizing a series of powerful, downward-facing duct fans to generate lift, allowing it to hover effortlessly above almost any surface. The pilot experience is unparalleled. It's not about leaning into corners or feeling the asphalt beneath you, but about mastering the delicate balance of thrust and momentum to glide over terrain as if by magic. It can traverse grass, sand, water, and rock with equal ease, making the concept of a road obsolete. The Speeder represents a fundamental shift in personal mobility, pointing towards a future where our vehicles are not constrained by the ground they travel on, but are free to move in 3 dimensions, finally delivering on the childhood promise of a personal hovercraft. Verge TS Pro. The Verge TS Pro is a masterclass in disruptive engineering, a motorcycle that challenges a century of conventional design with its awe-inspiring and revolutionary hubless rim motor. This isn't a minor aesthetic tweak, it's a complete re-engineering of the motorcycle's powertrain. The entire electric motor is seamlessly integrated into the rear wheel itself, creating a dramatic and open void at the bike's center that gives it a truly otherworldly appearance. This proprietary Star Matter motor delivers its phenomenal torque directly to the rim, eliminating all mechanical power loss and resulting in acceleration that is not only instantaneous but also violently efficient. This design philosophy allows for an incredibly clean and minimalist chassis, as there is no need for a chain, belt, shaft, or even a traditional motor mounting point. The Verge TS Pro is a declaration that the future of electric two-wheelers lies not in imitating the past, but in boldly reimagining the very principles of motion. Land Moto District Scrambler. The Land Moto District Scrambler takes a refreshingly pragmatic and soulful approach to the electric vehicle revolution, focusing on the joy of the journey rather than just raw performance. This machine is meticulously designed for district use, a term that encapsulates the daily rhythm of life, including the commute to work, the trip to the local grocery store, and the spontaneous exploration of backroads on a weekend afternoon. It forgoes the overwhelming power and weight of high-performance electric superbikes in favor of a lightweight, agile, and intuitive riding experience. Its aesthetic is a key part of its appeal, drawing on the timeless, functional beauty of classic scramblers with its high-mounted exhaust, knobby tires, and rugged stance, ensuring it looks as good outside a coffee shop as it does on a dirt path. The District Scrambler proves that sustainability doesn't require sacrificing character, offering a charming, accessible, and emission-free way to connect with your local environment. Akrapovic Full Moon Concept. The Akrapovic Full Moon Concept is a breathtaking symphony of artistry and engineering, a project born not from market demand but from pure, unadulterated passion. Hailing from a company renowned for its high-performance exhaust systems, the Full Moon is a dramatic departure and a statement of intent. Its most striking feature is the large, luminous circular ring that dominates the rear of the bike, a design element inspired by a full moon that ingeniously houses the compact electric motor and does away with the conventional swing arm entirely. This creates a floating rear wheel effect that is as mechanically ingenious as it is visually stunning. Every detail on the bike, from the hand-welded trellis frame to the meticulously laid carbon fiber bodywork, is executed with the precision of a master watchmaker. The Full Moon is not a vehicle meant for production, it is a mobile gallery piece that showcases the limitless potential of creativity when fused with world-class engineering. BMW Definition CE 04. The BMW Definition CE 04 is a courageous and tangible piece of the future that you can actually purchase and ride today. This electric scour shatters all preconceptions of what urban commuter vehicles should look like, boasting an angular, monolithic, and slab-sided design that appears to have been sculpted from a single block of futuristic material. Its most dominant feature is a massive, color TFT screen that sits where a dashboard would be, offering a user interface that is more akin to a modern tablet than a motorcycle instrument cluster. This focus on digital integration extends to its connectivity features, making it a smart device on two wheels. The CE04 is the rare example of a concept vehicle making it to production with its radical vision almost entirely intact, serving as a rolling testament to BMW's commitment to defining, rather than following, the aesthetic of electric urban mobility. BMW Motorrad Concept Link. The BMW Motorrad Concept Link presents a holistic and visionary future where a vehicle is not merely a tool for getting from A to B, but an intelligent, seamless extension of the rider's digital ecosystem. This scooter concept features a sleek, continuous bodywork that flows from front to back without any traditional mechanical interruptions like a visible frame or protrusions. The interface is completely reinvented. Instead of analog buttons and levers, the rider interacts via a touchpad on the tank and a panoramic digital display. The Concept Link is designed to be fully connected, synchronizing with your personal schedule to propose departure times and routes, integrating with your communication, and even suggesting points of interest. It redefines the vehicle as a proactive companion that manages your mobility needs within the broader context of your digital life. Quadro 4 Steinbach. The Quadro 4 Steinbach is a brilliant engineering solution to one of the most persistent problems in personal transport: the compromise between dynamic enjoyment and all-weather safety. This unique vehicle occupies a category of its own, blending the thrilling, leaning sensation of a motorcycle with the unshakable stability of a four-wheeled vehicle. Its core is an advanced hydraulic tilting mechanism that allows the entire chassis to lean into corners, providing the same engaging feedback and agility as a two-wheeler. However, with four wheels on the ground, it offers a level of confidence and security that is simply impossible on a motorcycle, especially on wet roads, icy patches, or uneven surfaces. The Steinbach is the ultimate pragmatic choice for the all-weather rider, effectively eliminating the fear of inclement conditions and making every journey, regardless of forecast, safe and enjoyable. Curtis Motorcycles. Curtis Motorcycles champions a philosophy of less is more, positioning its electric creations as rolling works of art that prioritize sublime minimalism over visual noise. The company's approach is to deconstruct the motorcycle to its absolute essentials, resulting in machines where the battery pack forms the central, structural spine of the vehicle and the electric motor is displayed as a sculptural, jewelry-like centerpiece. The design language is one of reduction, focusing on exquisite materials such as billet aluminum, titanium, and premium leather and flawless, uncluttered lines. Curtis recontextualizes the electric motorcycle from a mere mode of transport into an object of desire, an elegant artifact that values the purity of form, the serenity of a silent powertrain, and the statement of sustainable luxury. Hydra Concept Motorcycle. The Hydra Concept Motorcycle is a mesmerizing ode to mechanical complexity and steampunk aesthetics, a machine that proudly displays its inner workings as its primary art form. In an age of sealed black boxes and digital interfaces, the Hydra rebels with a completely exposed, intricate drivetrain that uses a labyrinth of interlocking shafts and finely machined gears to transfer power to the rear wheel, making the mechanism of motion a visual spectacle. Its frame is a raw, skeletal structure of metal and brass, evoking the form of a mythical beast with its multi-headed, serpentine mechanical layout. The Hydra makes a powerful statement that the future of design does not have to be sterile or fully digital, it can be warm, organic, and celebrate the beautiful complexity of analog machinery, appealing to those who find wonder in seeing how things work. Zero Motorcycles SR. The Zero Motorcycles SR is the established benchmark and proving ground for the modern electric motorcycle industry. As a mature, refined, and widely available production model, it delivers a package that is both thrilling and practical. Its defining characteristic is the devastating instant torque available from 0 RPM, providing acceleration that can humble much larger internal combustion machines. This performance is delivered in near-total silence, with only the sound of wind and tire noise accompanying the rider, creating a uniquely serene yet adrenaline-pumping experience. With a range capable of handling most daily commutes and weekend pleasure rides, and requiring minimal maintenance compared to its gas-powered counterparts, the SR is the definitive gateway into the world of high-performance electric riding. It demonstrates, without a doubt, that electric powertrains are not just a viable alternative, but a superior and deeply engaging platform for the future of motorcycling. It's clear that the future of riding isn't just about getting from A to B. It's about the sensation, the connection, and the sheer awe of the machine you're on. It's an experience. Which of these experiences would you want to have first? Drop your answer below. If you enjoyed this journey into the future of feeling, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more. We can't wait to share the next discovery with you.